Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. In this lecture, we will learn non-ferrous metallurgy. What is non-ferrous metallurgy? As a metallurgist and material engineer, we know that why we use non-ferrous metallurgy. चलते हैं अपने इस वीडियो की तरफ. What is non-ferrous metallurgy? In metallurgy, a non-ferrous metal is a metal including alloys that does not contain iron ferrite in appreciable amount. Important non-ferrous metallurgy include aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, tin, titanium, and zinc, and alloys such as brass. This is the importance of ferrous metallurgy. Further, इस पे हम बात करते हैं why non-ferrous metallurgy. Non-ferrous metallurgy हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? Why का मतलब वैसे यहाँ पे हमने क्यों non-ferrous metallurgy क्यों हम यूज़ करते हैं? No, as we know that non-ferrous metallurgy is lightweight, stiffness strength to weight ratio, high temperature properties, oxidation resistance, corrosion resistance, biocompatibility, thermal and electrical conductivity. Non-ferrous metallurgy is a high cost and depend on the extractions and productions. Non-ferrous metallurgy is metal, light, non-ferrous metals, heavy non-ferrous metals, noble metals, refractory metals, radioactive metals, disseminated metals. And one by we will discuss light non-ferrous metal whose specific gravity varies from 0.5 to 5 are called light non-ferrous metals. Examples: aluminium, magnesium, Na principal light non-ferrous metals, Be and Li, calciums, junior light non-ferrous metals. Relative density or specific gravity is the ratio of the density. Heavy non-ferrous metals. What is heavy non-ferrous metals? Metals whose specific gravity varies from 5 to 30 are called heavy non-ferrous metal. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio of the density mass of a unit volume of a substance to the density mass of the same unit volume of a reference substance. Examples: UNI and Z and SNPB, principal heavy non-ferrous metals. Ca and COs, Sb and Bi, junior heavy non-ferrous metals, जैसे calcium, aluminium, magnesium, as so on. Noble metal. What is noble metal? The metal which are least reactive and their extraction is expensive are called noble metals. Examples: इसमें हमारे पास मैग्नीशियम आता है, प्लाडियम आ सकता है, एंड एटसेट्रा. Refractory metals. The metals whose melting point is greater than 1650 centigrade are called refractory metals. Example: Nb, W, Mo, titaniums, V, and zinc are etc. Radioactive metals. Metals which show the property of a radioactivity and called radioactive metals. Examples: UTH, uranium, and so on. Radiations. Disseminated metals, rare earth metals. The metals which have very small quantity and finally dispersed or in ores are rediscovered and recovered as by the product are called the disseminated metals. Examples हमारे पास ये हैं पड़ी इनकी. नेक्स्ट वन पे हमारे पास नॉन फेरस मेटल. These materials refer to the remaining metals known to mankind. The pure metals are rarely used as structural material as they lack mechanical strength. They are used where their special properties such as corrosion resistance, electrical conductivity, and thermal conductivity are required. Copper and aluminium are used as electrical conductors, and together with sheet zinc and sheet lead are used as the roofing materials. They are mainly used with other metals to improve the strength. एंड इसमें हम सिंपली डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ कि वो वाई हुई यूज़, इसे यूज़ क्यों किया जाता है, एंड टू इम्प्रूव द स्ट्रेंथ. एंड कॉपर वायर एंड एल्यूमिनियम आर यूज इलेक्ट्रिक. इसमें क्या क्या यूज़ होता है. सम वाइडली यूज्ड नॉन फेरस मेटल्स एंड अलॉयज आर क्लासिफाइड. ये हमारे पास क्लासिफिकेशन है मेटल की. नॉन फेरस मेटल में हमारे मेटल्स एंड अलॉयज होते हैं, जैसे आयरन एंड ये क्या होता है, स्टील एंड कास्ट आयरन होता है. एल्यूमिनियम्स, ये हमारे पास सारी इसकी क्लासिफिकेशंस हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए एंड शेयर भी ज़रूर कीजिए. बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि जल्द से जल्द आने वाली वीडियो आपको पहले मिल सके. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.